Hello students, today we will start exercise 5.1. In this question, there are three parts. The question is, find the complement of each of the following angles. Here in the first part, you can see angle of 20 degree, in the second part, angle of 63 degree, and in the third part, you can see angle of 57 degree. Now I am going to explain you first part of the question number 1, second and third you will solve yourself. Here the angle is of 20 degree and we have to find its complement. Okay, so before doing any calculation, first of all we will write the rule. We know that two angles are said to be complementary if the sum of their measure is 90 degree. Okay, means sum of two angles is 90 degree in complementary angle, and here complement of 20 degree we have to find. We know that complement of 20 degree is 70 degree, but here you have to solve it. You will not write your answer directly. Here first you will write this statement, measure of the given angle. Here you can see the given angle is 20 degree. Okay, and we have to find its complement. So we will assume the measure of complement of angle 20 degree. Okay, so here you will write this statement, let the measure of its complement be x degree. Okay, and you know the given angle and its sum of given angle and the complement angle is 90 degree. So your equation will be x degree plus 20 degree is equals to 90 degree. Now we can find value of this x. For this x, we will transpose this plus 20 from left hand side to right hand side. Okay, so plus 20 degree will be minus 20 degree, and when we solve, then we will get x degree is equals to 70 degree. Means here after subtracting 20 degree from 90 degree, we get here 70 degree. Thus the measure of the complement of the given angle is 70 degree. Now students, see the question number 2. Find the supplement of each of the following angles. There are three parts in it. In the first part, you can see angle of 105 degree. In the second part, you can see 87 degree angle, and in the last one, you can see angle of 154 degree. Now I am going to tell you first part, and second and third part you will solve yourself. In the first part of question number 2, you have to find supplement of 105 degree angle. Here also, before doing any calculation, you will write about supplementary angles. So here you will write, we know that two angles are said to be supplementary angles if the sum of their measure is 180 degree. Here also first you will write measure of the given angle. Here measure of the given angle is 105 degree and we want to find its supplement. Supplement of the 105 degree angle is 75 degree. Here, but you will show solution for this. Okay. First of all, you will write measure of the given angle, and after writing this, you will assume measure of supplement angle. For that, you will write statement, let the measure of its supplement be x degree. Okay. And we know that sum of supplementary angles is 180 degree. So, the given angle and its supplement, which we have assumed here x, we will write like this: x degree plus 105 degree is equals to 180 degree, because their sum is equals to 180 degree. Now we will find value of this x. To find the value of this x, we will transpose plus 105 degree from left hand side to right hand side, and the 105 degree will be minus 105 degree, and in the next step we will get x degree is equals to 75 degree, because after subtracting 105 degree from 180 degree we will get 75 degree. Hence we can say that 75 degree is supplement of the given angle 105 degree. Now see question number 3. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. There are 6 parts in it, and I am going to tell you first and second part, and rest parts you will solve yourself. Students, to find that which pair of angles are complementary and which are supplementary, we will add the pair of angles. Okay? If the sum is coming 180 degree, then the angles are supplementary. If the sum of the angles is coming 90 degree, then the angles are complementary. Now let us solve first part of the question number 3. Students, before solving the parts, you will write about complementary and supplementary angles. So here you will write, we know that if the sum of two angles measure is 90 degree, then the two angles are complementary, and if the sum of two angles measure is 180 degree, then the pair of angles are supplementary. Okay. Now when you will solve first part, then what you will do first? You will add the measure of angles. Here 65 degree and 115 degree you will add, and you will get here 180 degree. So you can say that the given angles are supplementary angles. Okay. Now see the second part. In the second part of the question 3, you will get 63 degree angle and 27 degree angle. So here also we will do the same thing. We will add measure of both the angles, and after adding 63 degree and 27 degree, you will get 90 degree, and as the sum is coming 90 degree, it means the given angles are complementary angles. Now students, see the question number 4. Find the angle which is equal to its complement, and see the fifth question also. Find the angle which is equal to its supplement. First we will solve the question number 4. Here students, we don't know measure of any angle. Okay. So here we will assume first measure of the required angle. But before writing this, we will write the sum of the measures of an angle and its complement is 90 degree, because here in this question we are talking about complementary angles. Okay, and here we want to find complement of the angle, and we don't know that angle, so here we will assume the required angle, and for that we will write let the required angle be x degree. After supposing the measure of required angle x, we want to know what is the complement of the required angle. Here, as you know, the sum of two complementary angle is 90 degree. Okay? And here, if we take measure of required angle x degree, then its complement will be 90 degree minus x. Okay? So, here we will write then its complement is equals to 90 minus x degree. Okay? So, I think these two steps are clear. Here, if the required angle is x degree, then its complement will be 90 degree minus x degree. Now, for this, what we will do? Here, angle which is equals to its complement. So, here according to the question, x degree will be equals to 90 degree minus x degree. Okay. Now, we will solve it. Here, x degree we will write, and minus x degree we will transpose from right hand side to left hand side, and on the left hand side we will get x degree plus x degree is equals to 90 degree, and x if we add we get 2x is equals to 90 degree. So x is equals to here 90 degree divided by 2. Okay, because both the sides we will divide by 2. So here 2 will come in the denominator, and when we divide 90 degree by 2, we will get here 45 degree. So the required angle is 45 degree. Now students, see the question number 5. Find the angle which is equal to its supplement. Here also you will solve the question like previous question, but here we are talking about supplementary angles. So before solving the question, we will write the sum of the measures of an angle and its supplement is 180 degree. So here first we will draw a straight line, because we are talking about supplementary angles, and on this line we will draw two angles which are equal. Okay, so here you can see like this, you will draw two angles. Okay, and you don't know the given angle. Okay, you don't know measure of given angle, so what you have to do, you will assume the measure of the required angle. Okay, and for this you will write a statement, let the required angle be x degree. Okay, so here you will write measure of required angle x degree. Okay, now we want to know its supplement. For its supplement, what we have to do? We know that here straight angle is forming from here to here, 180 degree its measure. So for this measure, what we have to do? We have to subtract x degree from 180 degree. So measure of its supplement will be 180 degree minus x degree. Okay, so now you can write its supplement here. Then its supplement is equals to 180 degree minus x degree. Okay, now as it is given in the question, angles which is equal to its supplement. Okay, you have to find. So your equation will be x degree is equals to 180 degree minus x. And here also you can see both are equal in measure. So now you will solve it. X degree, here minus x degree you will transpose from right hand side to left hand side. So this minus x degree will be plus x degree and here 180 degree. Now x degree and x degree both you will add and here you will get 2x degree and it is equals to 180 degree. Now you will divide both the sides by 2. So on the left hand side you will get x only and on the right hand side you will get 180 degree by 2. For the next step you will divide 180 by 2 and you will get 90 degree and this 90 degree is the measure of the required angle. Now see the question number 6. In the given figure, angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. If angle 1 decreased, then what change should take place in angle 2 so that both the angles still remain supplementary? As it is given that in the question only that angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. So if angle 1 is decreased, then angle 2 will increase with the same measure so that both the angles still remain supplementary. Now students, see the question number 7. But before explaining question number 7, I will tell you about acute angle, obtuse angle and right angle. So students, what is acute angle? An angle whose measure is less than 90 degree is called acute angle. And what is obtuse angle? An angle whose measurement is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. And what is right angle? Students, a right angle is an angle of exactly 90 degree, or you can say a right angle is an angle with a measurement of 90 degree. Now you see the question number 7. Can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute? So for the first part, your answer will be no, because sum of two acute angles is less than 180 degree. Okay, students, you can add any measure of two acute angles. You will always get less than 180 degree. So your answer will be no, because here we are talking about supplementary angles. Now, if both of them are obtuse, so for this your answer will be no. Why? Because sum of two obtuse angles is more than 180 degree. For this also, if you want, you can try. You add any two obtuse angle, or you will always get more than 180 degree. So your answer will be here no. Now students, see the 7th question. Can two angles be supplementary if both of them are right? So here students, if you add measures of two right angles, you will always get 180 degree. So your answer will be yes here, because sum of two right angles is 180 degree. Now students, see the question number 8. An angle is greater than 45 degree. Is its complementary angle greater than 45 degree or equal to 45 degree or less than 45 degree? Here students, we are talking about complementary angle, and we know that if the sum of measures of two angles is 90 degree, then the angles are called complementary angle. Students, if the angle is less than 45 degree, then its complementary angle will be greater than 45 degree. Okay? And if the angle is equals to 45 degree, then its complementary angle will be equals to 45 degree. But here in this question, if an angle is greater than 45 degree, then what will happen? If an angle is greater than 45 degree, then its complementary angle will be less than 45 degree. Now students, today only this much. In the next video, I will start explanation from question number 9. Thank you.